Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chapter coordinate geometry, and this is our part 3. In this part we will learn about signs of x coordinates, signs of x coordinate, it is observed that for points A and B, the x coordinates are measured in positive direction of x, and hence their x coordinates have positive sign, or all points lying on the right hand side of y-axis will hence have x coordinates with positive sign. We can generalize that all the points in 1 and 4 quadrants have their x coordinates measured in positive x direction, and hence the x coordinates and positive in 1 and 4 are positive in 1 and 4 quadrants. I will draw the figure that shows the sign of x coordinates in various quadrants. Like this will be the y-axis, this will be the x-axis. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is A, this is negative A, this is negative A, and this is A, positive. This is P, Q, A and B. After that, this is the negative direction, this is the positive direction, and this is the diagram. Similarly, the x coordinates of all the points in second and third quadrants are measured in negative x direction, and hence the x coordinates of all points in second and third quadrants are negative, or all points lying on the left hand side of y-axis will have x coordinates with negative sign. This was the signs of x coordinates. Now we will learn the signs of y coordinates. Signs of y coordinates. Then all the points in first and second quadrants have their y coordinates measured in positive y direction, and hence the coordinates are positive in first and second quadrants, or the y coordinates of all the points lying above x-axis are positive. Similarly, the y coordinates of all the points third and fourth quadrants are measured in negative y direction, and hence the y coordinates of all the points in third and fourth quadrants are negative, or the y coordinates of all the points lying below x-axis is negative. I'll draw the figure that shows the signs of y coordinate in various quadrants. This will be the y, and this first this will be the first quadrant, second, third, fourth. This is the positive direction and this is the negative direction. Like this, we will draw the opposite arrows. This will be B, minus B, minus B and B. This will be the P, Q, A and B. Like this is the whole diagram. Now there is the summary of the signs of the ordinates. So this is the diagram. This is the minus, comma, plus. This is plus, comma, plus. This is minus, comma, minus. And this is plus, comma, minus. This is the signs. So the signs of the coordinates in diagonally opposite quadrants are opposite to each other. I hope you have understood the whole topic till this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 4 of this chapter with new topics. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.